abortion. Is it wrong or is it fine? Two facts to consider. Murder is wrong because human life is intrinsically valuable, and life begins at conception. The first fact is very intuitive to humans. When have you ever doubted that murder is wrong? Likewise, if no objective moral facts exist, then there is no moral dilemma with abortion being right, fine, or wrong. So the ones who oppose abortion and say it's morally wrong would be the same as accepting abortion as a morally fine or permissible act. Remember, if no moral facts exist, then nothing is really right or wrong. Blocking access to abortion, outlawing it, and criminalizing it is then just as good as the opposite. Yet, this is a clear contradiction, showing that moral facts do indeed exist. Fact number 2. The notion that life starts at conception is not a religious or personal concept that is not based off scientific observation. The scientific evidence is that the signs of life in biology are order, response to outside stimuli, reproduction, growth and development, regulation, homeostasis, and energy processing. Applying this to human embryology, it can be observed that at conception all of these characteristics of life are present. Order is shown since the embryo has a highly organized structure that follows a specific developmental process. The embryo is genetically different from both parents while containing DNA from each. Half of the chromosomes are derived from each parent, and traits like eye color, height, and predisposition to certain health conditions are already present. The embryo starts cell division also in differentiation, forming tissues and organs in a structured way. Growth and development is also present since the embryo undergoes mitosis or cell division and develops specialized structure like skin, nerves, and muscles. Because all the information needed for growth is already inside the embryo, this development is being done separate from the mother's input. Regulation is shown in the embryo also. The embryo regulates gene activity, metabolism, and cell functions independent from the mother. The embryo performs homeostasis, maintaining a stable internal environment, regulating pH levels, practicing waste removal, and doing cellular functions. Several experts in biology and embryology also support this conclusion. These might include Keith L. Moore. He states, human development begins at fertilization when a sperm unites with an oocyte to form a zygote. This zygote is the beginning of a new human being. T.W. Sadler, another expert in biology, states, development begins with fertilization, the process by which the male gamete, the sperm, and the female gamete, the oocyte, unite to give rise to a zygote. William J. Larson, an expert in embryology and cell biology, claims the zygote, formed by the union of an oocyte and a sperm, is the beginning of a new human being. So if abortion ends a human life, then it is murder. Therefore, abortion is a morally reprehensible action. This is why we should abort abortion.